Hello everyone and welcome back to the M Vault. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications, and please smash that like button for me. That'd be really great. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at my Trading 212 portfolio update for week 5. We're going to be looking at how it did in terms of performance, whether or not, we ended up with a gain or a loss. We're also going to be looking at my top stock of the week as well, in terms of percentage increase. So sit back, relax, and let's go. So here we are then in my Trading 212 portfolio. And as you can see at the top there, the current value in there is £2,200.71. And I'd invested £2,107.22. And, we start then on a Monday. And this is normally when the stock market opens. Well, it actually opens at about 8 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Every day, Monday to Friday. I'm just showing you there for midnight. And midnight on Monday. And we're going to go through the whole week. Now, there might be a little bit of fluctuation due to currency exchanges on my foreign investments. But as you can see through Monday, it does a real good climb and then dips. So it has its ups and downs. I did put a bit more money in here. That sometimes can be the reason why they go up and down, because I did invest a little bit more money into the portfolio. As you can see there, 2,112.22p. And we had some really good days actually. So through Monday, it was a really strong day. We then go into Tuesday, and again, the market's open, always at 8 o'clock, and then we have that lovely increase. So the stocks did really well, and again, it brought my portfolio up nicely. I am going to also add a bit more money during this week. I can't remember if it was Wednesday, and this was due to the Tesco's, that special dividend from Tesco's, and so I started reinvesting that back into Tesco's, which was my plan. And I will be doing a video, an update video on that journey. And I think it was there actually. Well, at this point, I'd invested £2,132, 14 pence. And here we're on Thursday. So not too bad. Going up nicely. And actually going really nicely. But then we have a dip. Towards the end, which is on Friday at some point. I think here during the day we have a dip in the stock market, and it goes down. Fortunately, it did recover quite nicely before the end of trade on the Friday, including my US stocks, which because of time differences, they close at 9 p.m. and that's something I always put in consideration. I also hold US stocks, and there's fluctuations, sometimes during the week and early hours due to the currency exchange as well between the pound and the US dollar, or sometimes even with my European stocks as well. Well, there you go. That's the update. So we finished on £325.13, and we have invested £2,142.10. So by the end of the week, even me putting more money in, we've actually finished on a plus £183.03, or 8.54%. And so that's a really good result. I think that's a really strong result. And it's an increase of £89.54, or 4.1% compared to last week's results, which is great because we were down last week. In week 4, we were down £26.70 odd p. So to go from that being down to then being up means that the markets have recovered to some sort of degree. And, some confidence is coming back. I think, in the economies around the world, and also the vaccination programs and reopening of the economy should help boost it even more. So the top stock in terms of percentage increase for the week in my portfolio was Airbnb. And Airbnb were up 14.85%, or $26.71. So a really, really strong increase. And, just goes to show you that around the world, even though maybe here in the UK, our accommodation sector, hotels, all that sort of stuff is down. Maybe around the world, things are still, going ahead at different intervals in terms of, their lockdown procedures. So it's really interesting how, it's been going up for a while, actually. And it comes to the next graph, which is a month, and then the 3 month. So you can see the 3 month, scenario. It's definitely been going up. The stock has been going up. So it's going to be interesting to see when we actually open this sector up again in the UK. Is it going to go up even further? So that we will have to see. But for the moment, that's what I've got in there. 28.83. So it's an £8.07 return. So it's not too bad. 38% up, roughly that. So all in all, good results from Airbnb, and let's see if this continues in the future. Well, there you have it then. My Trading 212 update for week 5. I hope this has given you some value, this video, and something that you can take away to maybe start, implementing yourselves. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be great. That really helped me. Also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on your notifications. The reason why is because I'm going to be doing these videos on a weekly basis, showing you the performance of, my Trading 212 portfolio. But it's also to hopefully encourage yourselves to maybe start thinking, or maybe considering, starting your investment journey, because we all have to start some journey in investing in order to grow, our wealth and ultimately achieve financial freedom. And these videos just show you what is actually going on, in the stock market, for example, if you're choosing to obviously invest in the stock market. So thank you very much for watching. Be safe, be well, and I'll see you all in the next video. God bless.